Why? Wayne Grass.
X-Dap on the beat.
Wayne Grass. You this Gretzky, Makey, Trey, and now your homie got smoke. On that rah-rah doing that Zach TV, your ass was a joke. What that chopper in that D when your homie got smoke? Drop the diss song on Tuesday, met that on a Wednesday. We don't do it for the globe, bitch, we do this for real. And when we said no more Zach TVs, bitch, we meant that for real. Ayy, ride downstate, smoking rock. Hit your block, swing a 50 shot, upper echelon. Bitch, niggas, y'all don't know how we feel. I talk to Gretzky out the mollies and he tell me go kill. Bitch, nigga, fuck a drill, you know what it is. A0 slap me down the hill, pop a op like I pop knuckles, bullet tube of him to swallow. All on this top, fuck. He won't let us see the mob. Y'all don't bang how we bang. GD papers fucking same gang. Batfish call him Jesse White, I guess I'm coolin' with my Ruger, no need to mention my shooter. And I'm Freddy Cougar, what's up with the boogeyman? And I don't rap beef, I wrap him up like Woo the Kid. Loud snatch me up, I don't know shit, don't know who that is. Rock from Rock Block, got his face shot, still sending shots, even though we know the Jake's out. A couple of unsolved DOAs, now my name on. Hey, fuck 12, y'all know what we on, man. 11 half buff block, this Wayne Gretzky is guns. Bitch ass nigga.
X-Dap on
Y'all
the
know we
beat.
like beef, no chicken. Fuck you talking about? Nigga ain't no chicken on the 9, nigga. It's beef, nigga. It's guns, nigga. Wayne Gretzky. Roll slim, bitch. Why? Wayne Grass.
X-Dap on the beat.
Wayne Grass.